Are you a big fan of Japanese cuisine and katsu? Well, this one's for you. My name is Michael Brian Gesto from Drinking Nose, and this is a must-try products by King Kong's Kitchen. King Kong's Kitchen. We create food that excites you. We're open every day starting 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. And they're also available via Maxim Food Delivery and Foodpanda app. Located at the Atria Ayala Mall in San Rafael, Mandurriao, beside Sataza Cafe, and in front of Bizcocho House. For King Kong sauce and sprinkle options, they have Japanese mayo, spicy parmesan sprinkle, spicy Japanese mayo, wasabi mayo, classic katsu, chili garlic parmesan, sweet honey onion, and teriyaki mayo. For their categories, they have cheesy chicken or pork katsu. This cheese-filled katsu is coated with crispy Japanese panko and fried to perfection. For chicken pork katsu, classic Japanese katsu coated with crispy panko and fried to perfection. For their Taiwanese fried chicken, extra large chicken seasoned with spices and fried to perfection. Also available for katsu value meals for price range of 179 pesos up to 239 pesos. For brunch deals, for regular brunch for 299 pesos, cheesy brunch 369 pesos. And for your add-ons, for kimchi for 100 grams for 75 pesos, kimchi for 440 grams for 190 pesos, extra cheese on cheese options for 25 pesos, rice for 20 pesos. And for your chicken karage category, with a price range of 90 pesos up to 350 pesos. And for their promos, just present the hashtag Miko Loves King Kongs, 10% discount, valid for dine-in, take-out, delivery. Valid until December 30, 2020. And for full list of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. And please do like this video to support and promote our local businesses here in Iloilo City. And share this video to one of your friends. Comment down below kung anong mga dishes or meals gusto try for King Kong's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. At para always kayo updated sa mga latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. And please lang mga nose, kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po huwag niyo pong i-skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel. And this episode is sponsored by King Kong's Kitchen. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nose! Welcome to King Kong's Kitchen! First of all, thank you so much King Kong's Kitchen for inviting us, and most especially, kasama ko ngayon yung Ilonggo Vlogger. Starting off with...
Hello mga besties! Subscribe nyo po yung YouTube channel ko na hello, mga ulit-ulit ng hello mga besties.
And also...
Kitkai, and also I'm inviting you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel, Kitkai. Thank you! Okay, Alag! So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So ayan po. So I have seafood chicken and yung ano yan, yung sauce niya is teriyaki.
Mine is regular chicken katsu and may pa-drink si Mayor na matcha. Ang sarap!
Chili chicken na katsu, and also yung aking sauce is classic katsu.
Wow! And of course, ayun, drinking no.
So, sa akin is yung cheesy pork katsu and also my favorite matcha drink, large
Taiwanese.
fried chicken.
Yes. Na ako, ilang kuha na ako ang sarap.
So, kailan na mga nose?
That's it! Kaya kumusta?
Nag-explore ako ng mga panulaman.
Kanina, habang nagpaplano kami dito sa vlog ni Drinking Nose, hindi kami papayag pag hindi kami magpapalit sa kanya. Mag-question kami, sino yung unang mag-question kay Nico? Siyempre, kung sino yung late, siya yung mauuna.
O yung first na question kay Nico. So my first question, ano yung biggest why mo, bakit mo ginagawa yung pag-vlog? And bakit food vlogging? Hindi
promoting foods and local cuisines dito sa Iloilo. So, it's my mission and vision na ayun, matulungan ko yung mga local businesses, kahit yung small or big businesses, through my vlogs and through endorsement or promotion. So, yun yung motivation ko para maging vlogger dito sa Iloilo.
Ayun, thank you so much, Miko. Okay.
So ako naman to question. So, everybody's information, si Drinking Notes is a well-known vlogger na dito sa Iloilo.
Yes, famous na famous.
Yes.
Mga malalaki, mga...
Ako ang number 1, ako ang number 2. Joke lang. These vloggers kita diri subong nga apat and / influencers is your advice sa mga small, sa mga aspiring vlogger, sa mga nag-aspire pa lang sa vlogging kag sa pag-vlog video.
Number 1 talaga is be passionate in what you have. Tap your trademark.
Yes.
Gawa ka talaga ng lane mo na mag-stood out talaga yung trademark mo, signature mo. Tapos enjoy mo lang, yun lang.
So, tama.
Yun lang.
Agree naman ako sa sabat niya, sa sagot. Kasi dapat talaga may passion ka. Hindi kasi dahil nag-pandemic lang or na-board lang tayo gumawa tayo ng video.
True.
Kasi iba pa rin yung may passion talaga. Malalaman mo talaga pag may passion. Iba yan yung passion sa iyo.
Kaya be passionate guys. Huwag kayong magsusuko. Kahit konti ng subscribers nyo, konti ng review. Upload lang upload. Tapos enjoy na kayo.
Ako yung next. So, yung tanong ko sa'yo kay Drinking Notes is, kung pabibigyan ka ng chance, ano yung business na gusto mong i-take kapag nakatagal ka na nagsalo sa YouTube?
Business dito tayo niya ako pa.
Good question. Sa totoo lang. Actually, pinag-isipan ko kung it's either coffee shop or milk shop. Kasi yun yung dalawang brands na forte ko. Pero, tingnan natin kung sana sa uli na ako ni YouTube or durating na talaga yung time na naipon ako, update ko kayo kung anong coffee or milk tea yung gusto ko i-franchise or
Wow.
franchise.
Wow! Anong feeling na kasama mo pa ngayon dito?
First collab mo sa lahat ng video.
Kaya makolab before, yung kila Unstoppable sa Taiwan.
Ano ang latest mo?
Wala. First ko na kasama sila, lalo na si Good Guy, si Alan. So, tapos ito po yung first time ko na store vlog.
Wow!
At na-enjoy din ako kasi at least na-meet ko sila. Na-enjoy ko din ng foods for King Kong's Kitchen. And also, masaya. Basta happy lang kami for filming this vlog. So, thank you so much sa inyo lahat kasi I hope na hindi ko ito yung last na makolab tayo. So, maybe soon sa mga events at sa mga future brand collaborations.
Kasi si Drinking Notes is well-known talaga dito sa... Kasi dito kami yun. Dito na siya.
Grabe.
Mostly sa mga brand, na niya, mga brand collaboration, mga big company, ganun-ganun. So, nakaka-pressure na makolab with Drinking Notes.
Yes, sure. Because I meet ka.
Yes, it's my first time. Kaya syempre.
Natasha. Sorry, na-speechless ako.
Yung important lang kasi dito sa ganitong business or career namin sa vlogging is yung tulungan lang.
Yes, totoo yun. Walang lamangan guys.
Yeah.
So yung aking review sa chili cheesy chicken katsu is swak na swak at saka pasang-pasa sa ating mga bulsa. So sa halagang saan naabot yung 200 pesos mo. So doon lang sa King Kong's Kitchen. Sa anghang, sa timpla, and lahat as in sobrang pumasa sa akin. And doon talaga ako na-test sa anghang kasi I'm also fan of spicy pero kanina hindi ko talaga kinaya. Fan ka ng mga spicy na mga pagkain, chili cheesy chicken katsu yung piliin mo. So out of 10, I will give it 10.
Hi guys again. So for hello mga besties, taste test review for the regular chicken katsu of King Kong's Kitchen. Very approved siya kay hello mga besties. May something sila na linagay. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko siya matukoy kung ano. Pero hindi siya regular, parang special chicken katsu siya. So, good job and thank you to King Kong's Kitchen. So, if magbibigay ako ng rate sa kinain ko na chicken katsu na regular, I will give rate 13/10. That's it. Thank you.
And for Kay Alag's comment and review, it is very delicious, the cheesy chicken katsu, especially when freshly cooked, because when you slice in the middle, you can see very sticky cheese, you can really taste, and it's delicious. Most especially, that teriyaki sauce. The combination is perfect and outstanding. You must try it, mga kasimanwa. Ang dish na pili ko is Cheesy Pork Katsu or CK8 for 219 pesos. Yun talaga yung crispiness for its outer texture. Very present, very distinctive. Us talaga yung cheesy flavor o yung melted cheese. Best complement for its pork, meats, and also flavors. Kapag na-dip sa teriyaki sauce, perfect na perfect yung combination niya. Most especially, yung soft rice nila. Also, yung cabbage sides. Ito, perfect match siya kasi naging light yung meal mo. Let's not forget, my favorite, kimchi. Sobrang delish, sobrang excellent yung quality, yung spiciness, and overall flavor. A dish for cheesy pork katsu, I'll give it a perfect 10. Before anything else, I would like to thank my fellow Ilonggo vloggers na si Hello Mga Beshies, Meet Kay Vlogs, at si Kay Alag. Thank you for supporting me and joining me dun sa taste test for King Kong's brand collaboration. And itong episode na to, first time ko makulab yung mga fellow Ilonggo vloggers ko. So thank you so much. So na-enjoy talaga ako dun sa experience. It was a fun, light, tapos marami din ako natutunan sa kanilang opinions and reviews. Please do support our Ilonggo vloggers here in Iloilo City. And most especially, I would like to thank sa lahat po bumubuo, sa owners, sa staff, sa chef, sa riders, for King Kong's Kitchen for inviting me and us for this brand collaboration. Na-enjoy talaga namin yung meals namin. Nandun yung crispiness, oozing ng cheese flavor or cheese melt, yung excellent quality ng kimchi, ng matcha, and also yung cabbage sides. Sa lahat po ng excellent service, very accommodating approach sa amin, and most especially, yung superb quality and delicious meals dun sa King Kong's Kitchen. I hope na hindi po to yung last na i-taste test ko yung products nyo, but maybe soon, feature additional meals nyo or categories. Very soon mga nos, maging available na sila for their breakfast meals. Pero small teaser lang, magbisa na ako ng picture dito kung anong itsura ng breakfast meal sila. At based sa sample nila at sa taste test ko, sobrang sarap. Sulit ka na sa rice, sulit ka na sa meats, sulit ka na sa crispiness, and for their katsus. So, worth it talaga yung breakfast meals nila. So, watch for it mga nos. Maging available na siya very soon dun sa store nila sa King Kong's Kitchen. So, once again, thank you so much King Kong's Kitchen. Congratulations!
So ayan mga nos, thank you so much King Kong's Kitchen for this amazing food and also for your drinks, your matcha, and your kimchi, and other dishes. So once again, don't forget to subscribe.
Hello mga